Okay, so the battery lead that is on the engine module now, there's 2 terminals that are hooked, connected in line with that harness. Those go there. From that, you can hook up a battery source to the existing terminal or cut it off. The ground that is on the transmission needs to be grounded to the chassis. The chassis needs to be grounded back to the battery. Because you're not worried about a body, because it's just a chassis. That's going to complete the path. From there, you can use the switch to fire it up.
And where's the fuel pump leads?
Fuel pump leads. I don't know who built this harness, but they're a giant fan of red. I like red, just not for everything. Fuel pump minus, fuel pump positive.
Are they labeled? What do those flags say?
FP plus, FP minus, and they do work. I just didn't have the ground hooked up, so I used my own.
And what other leads need to connect?
This goes to your negative
battery terminal.
Yep, and this is going to be your positive.
But we have positive and negative battery terminals in the engine module, so
Yes.
how do we do that?
I jumped it.
Oh, you jump them together.
Or you can connect these to that right there if you're going to put the battery up.
Okay.
So yeah, I guess I was...
Does anything else need to connect?
Yes. There's going to be... Here, let me show you on the engine module itself. Actually, I took the harness off and put on this one. Right here. These 2 go to the ECM. You're going to definitely want to grab that. There's a connector on the harness, and this is actually for the starter wire itself. So I figured out that if you put power to a momentary on-off switch, and then from the momentary on-off switch directly to this, you can bypass the ignition switch itself. So you can eliminate that whole mess. That's set up. Let me grab your ECM. That's the only thing you need to do to make this thing run. Fluid system, fuel system, all that is on board in the module, ready to rock.